lend my voice in support of this very crucial bill, which is the regularizing of the virtual assets and service providers. This is very personal to me because my 20-year-old son owns a sports competition website, a gaming platform that he coded himself. And he has about 100,000 real-time players when the competitions are on. And I have asked him a number of times, why is he not marketing his gaming site in Nigeria, considering the fact that we have a very active young population? And he lets me understand time after time that he can't do that because the gaming servers that offer the back-end support for these virtual games are not considering Nigeria as are not hosting in Nigeria. That recently they did open up for South Africa in Africa, and they have yet to do so in Nigeria. And I questioned him why. He said, because we do not have the regulations in place. And he's able to host in America, in the Middle East, and Europe. And I want us to understand that we as a country, we are losing a lot of revenue from this because those who are gamers understand how much is being generated from these gaming platforms. And it's very important that we do put regulations in place so that we can checkmate and attract a number of investments, because trust me, there's a lot of investment in the virtual space now that runs into almost billions of dollars. So it will be place if we want create jobs, because there are young people that create jobs and earn a living from these gamings as well as other virtual services. And so I think, sir, I want to really appreciate you, because if this happens, it will also be some succor to me personally, my family, and as well as many other Nigerians. Thank you, sir.
Senator Adam Oshomole.